Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Friday, November 30th, 2012. We're going to be looking at Cummins Incorporated today, ticker symbol CMI. And this is something you may want to be looking at on Monday. Ticker symbol's right here. You can see that we've got pulled down substantially here, taken out to the previous low here. So we have now been in a little downtrend. Then we get this nice little bounce here, and this is something to take note of whenever you bounce to the previous high point. You want to see, can you break out of there, or you find resistance. In this case, we found resistance. We actually, our high close here was lower than we had seen over here. We sold off away from that, pulled back down to the 50-period moving average and bounced off that. A couple things to note about that little bounce, the secondary bounce here to test the previous high. Again, we fail, so that's important to note. And this time around, we form a shooting star, which is a sell signal. A lot of traders are going to use this as a sell opportunity with the stop set off of this high point at 101.70. So the stop is 1 cent above that at 101.71. So that's where the stop's at. That's where they're short in this range right here, even at today's close. Even anything in here, they can short, looking for a test of this previous low here. Again, basically the theory being that you advanced to this point, you failed, you pulled back a little bit, you tried it again, you failed again. Ergo, you must fall lower to relieve more sell pressure. That would be why they're looking for this actual low point to get taken out or tested at least. So they're looking for this to sell off down here. On top of that, they have this unfilled gap here, rather large one from this close of this day to this open or low of that day actually. So this little gap here was likely to be filled again. So that's a pretty smart trade there. I understand why they're doing that. On top of that, you could see the markets continue to go lower and things of that nature happen. Then you could see this take out this level really easily and come down here and test this level. So you have that much more potential. This is your actual risk scenario here, and this is your potential gain scenario. That's a really nice trade there, and I understand why people are making that trade. One more item to note on the secondary bounce that you have right here, you'll notice that there was no real volume behind it. So that's another telltale sign that this is not really a strong move here, and it's going to be erased. So that's a trade that you might be looking at on Monday or sometime next week. And if you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the nightly market analysis video coming up. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.